you're looking to maximize your gains, Herbalife24 BCAAs are a great solution. Amino acids stimulate lean muscle growth and recovery from exercise, and are the building blocks of protein. The 3 branched-chain amino acids, known as BCAAs, are leucine, valine, and isoleucine. With 5 grams of BCAAs per serving, the Herbalife24 BCAAs are formulated with 3 grams of leucine, which act as the body's on-off switch for muscle growth. Having enough leucine triggers muscle synthesis and helps reduce muscle breakdown. The leucine is in a 4:1:1 ratio with isoleucine and valine, which work together for maximum benefit. Herbalife24 BCAAs have only 25 calories, no artificial flavors or sweeteners, and as with all Herbalife24 products, are NSF certified for sport. Mix with 14 ounces of water and sip around your workout or throughout the day. Build better and recover quicker with Herbalife24 BCAAs.